This is your DJ Glenn. Follow now.
Depression, anxiety, decrease in academic achievement, mental and physical health issues, and lowering self-esteem are one of the effects of bullying. A person who suffers from bullying will basically make themselves frightened, lonely, and unhappy. Their learning process will be affected since they are not at their optimal state and their mentality is not stable. Being bullied can affect everything about a person: how they see themselves, their friends, school, and the future. Some students might miss school, see their grades drop, or even attempt to not go to school anymore. Most of them will feel upset at times when they can no longer deal with the situation. They will feel that they are excluded and hated, that the world is not just and fair. And when they feel extremely cornered and pushed to such margin, they tend to commit suicide and end their life. Thus, we can see to it that bullying is detrimental and may lead to long-term problems or even cost their lives in vain.
And this is your DJ Airiz. Follow now.
Based on our gathered data interview via Messenger about bullying, we have two victims of bullying that willing to share their nightmares to inspire and give moral lesson to everyone. We won't mention their names for confidentiality. The first victim was insulted about her insecurities back when she is in elementary school. The time she felt uneasy and insulted that she thinks she appeared foolish in front of them. However, she fought back physically even though she knew it wasn't the appropriate move. She then apologized and acknowledged her fault. After that incident, their jokes has no longer bothered to her because she accepted her flaws and imperfections. She then moved on and used it to her advantage. The second victim was experienced bullying also inside of school back in elementary because her father died and her classmates made fun of it. Losing a hero in her life is a nightmare to her. She felt terrible and very sad. The classmates who approached her and asked if it is true about her father, then politely replied, "Yes, it is true." Instead of comforting her, they made fun out of it. It is really inconsiderate that she fell down to earth at the early age. 2 years later, she became more stronger in which she participated in school activities to help boost her confidence and move on of what happened. Fortunately, she have a lot of friends that comfort and willing to cheer her up. She motivated herself because she believed that no one could ever help her except herself. Through enjoying her life, she found real friends and new hope for tomorrow.
DJ Glenn is back. Follow now.
People bully because they tend to let others feel that they are powerful, superior, and in control with the situation. Others just bully just to cope up with the unhappiness and anger that they feel inside, or might just the pressure coming from their peers. Some bully because they have little empathy and like to make fun and see others' life miserable and not part in the society. One of the bully we interview, he shares why he bullies, whom he bullies, and is it fun thing to do bullying. He responded that he frequently tease and bully the people around him, especially to his circle of friends, because he thinks that it is his way to show love and inclusivity, not knowing that his teasing negatively impacts to one's life. And so, he felt much happy to tease everyone around him.
DJ is out,